What's good, guys? It's your boy Johnny
and Sabina,
and we back with another lit video.
Yeah. That was
Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, well, tonight's video, we're doing something a little different. We're cooking up a little something tasty, something nice that involves a little Cheetos. We don't usually do these type of videos where we do cooking.
Oh God,
but we're gonna mix it up a little bit. So I'm gonna let my queen over here take it away. What we doing?
We're gonna be deep frying these prawns coated in Cheetos and breadcrumbs, of course.
Flaming hot Cheetos.
Flaming hot Cheetos. And you guys know that I'm not into spicy food whatsoever.
I'm not into seafood that much.
Oh yes, so you know what a combo. I've been seeing a lot of these videos in America, and I think
people do it with crabs though.
Yeah, he's not game enough for crabs.
No, I am, but the thing is, we live in Adelaide, and I don't exactly know where you can get crabs from at 7:30 at night.
Okay.
As we said before, guys, we were actually winging these videos. We were out doing our usual, our weekly grocery shopping, and we decided to say, hey, Cheetos, and let's cook it up.
But if you guys know any good, seafood places in Adelaide, people in Adelaide, comment down below and let us know, and we can try this with crabs next time if you like this video. So you get to watch us eat it, and yeah,
enjoy it and get messy. Anyways, guys, let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, so first step, we're gonna blend up these Cheetos. You want to blend up the Cheetos?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll do it.
Yeah? You want to do it?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Yum! That looks delish. Alright.
See, yeah. Alright.
So, pretty much, just put as much as you can.
Whoa, chill, we don't do too much.
Alright.
Might want to turn the blender on from the top, please.
Oh. Thanks for pointing out the obvious. Alright.
Wait. Maybe mush it down a bit. That's a fail.
Alright.
Let me take her a second.
Blenders are loud. Really?
Blending.
That's unlucky. Ooh, alright, we might have to put the whole bag in maybe. But we've got so far.
Alright. So, blending the Cheetos are a bit difficult than what we thought it was going to be.
A lot difficult.
Yeah. I think because they're puffs. Anyways, on top of the deep fryer. Fun fact about this deep fryer.
Brand new.
We needed it when we first moved in, but because of old mate COVID, everywhere was sold out.
And trust me guys though, like it's become our best friend. We deep fry absolutely everything and...
Yes, daddy. Alright.
Oh, is it on your side too?
It's on both sides.
Oh.
Go Max.
Keep going.
Bam, better run out of oil.
Yeah, keep going.
Hey Max. Yeah?
Yep.
Now let's preheat this deep fryer. Would you class prawn as a fish or a crab?
Yeah, well it's fish.
There's crab and fish.
Go crab.
190?
190 I reckon.
Let's get 170 to be safe. We'll meet the halfway. Meet the halfway, yeah? Meet halfway.
Who eats seafood? Me.
You don't cook seafood?
Yes, I do.
You haven't deep fried seafood before?
Yes.
Alright, so while deep fry is heating up, baby girl over here is gonna
Yes.
cook up some eggs for us, so yeah. Oh really? Mom from play school.
You know, remember that? Make dinner for Mum?
Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Hey. Alright guys, for the fun part. So, how you want to do this?
Alright, so I think, alright, so I'll dip it in the egg, then the breadcrumb, and then egg again, and then breadcrumb, and then you dip it on.
Oh, we'll just do one of these. We'll go egg, breadcrumb, Cheetos.
Okay. Ooh, yum. So, egg, breadcrumb, Cheetos. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out.
Ooh, hot mama.
Alright, oh, I can smell it already. We're gonna start deep frying them. Oh.
I don't know. I can't see, man.
Okay, here you go.
That's better.
We won't
Just
put too much because I don't want the stick to get
Sorry.
there. Oh
Hopefully they turn out alright.
I hope the colour stays because I'll be so upset if it doesn't.
I don't think it's going to stay, to be honest.
Oh!
Let's leave it there. Now, I don't know how long to cook, how long to deep fry prawns for, but...
Nah, just probably like a few minutes, I reckon. 5 minutes, I reckon.
Maybe. Alright guys. Product. I don't know if you can see that probably, if it's not blurry or not. Yeah guys. Let's just
Yeah, just do it up close, I think.
Ooh. Hi. Alright.
We did it!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. As you've seen the close up, now it's time to taste these flaming hot Cheeto prawns.
I wonder how spicy they actually are.
We
But
got Coke, because I like
yes,
my
we got
Coke.
we probably should have had water.
Why?
How spicy.
I think it's gonna be that spicy. I think it's gonna be fine.
Alright, so we've got mayo sauce and we've got spicy sauce. Alright, you guys ready? Let's do this.
Alright, ready?
Alright, cheers. Here's
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. I can taste the spice. It's just I was expecting it to be spicier, but
Cooked it, so it's fine. I likes it.
it's actually really nice.
I'll go for some mayo.
Good. I'll try.
Mmm.
Well, every time I watch people on YouTube eating prawns and like any sort of seafood, it just,
Delicious.
oh no. It just looks so yummy, and now I can finally understand why.
This shit is good.
We did
That
a
one
good
is
job.
100% was the best one. That
It's
shit
a-
is fire. Sorry.
It's actually good with the mayo.
No, I like it, this one. Extra spice is good.
Is it? Alright, I'll try it. Okay, guys, this is super spicy. Oh,
I told you I like prawns.
you guys need to try this out. This is delicious.
So what do you rate this?
10 out of 10.
Uh-huh.
I think so.
Anyways, guys, we're going to continue eating these, enjoy these. Let me see the rest of this on camera. But if you enjoyed tonight's video, if you like these videos from us and you want us to try any different recipes or anything you want to send our way, leave it in the comment below. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And we out.
Adios!
Boom!
It's actually so yum.